No, Abeku, hold on here. And I need some one-on-one education here on taxes, because you pay tax based on if it's profit, you made profit, if it's VAT, if consumer or value chain production and all the rest. If you make loss consistently as a company, where lies the whole incident here of paying taxes to the state?
All right. So, George, government is saying that you are a member of the state. The state has responsibilities towards you. We have given you an opportunity to thrive. You have been doing business in our economy for so many years. We think that it's about time you turn to make profit. If you still continue to make losses, the Commissioner General may pick your revenue and apply a percentage on that and deem that to be your income, on which your tax rate would apply. So all this, I believe that conversations are not going on, but sooner than later, people will be audited. And if the Commissioner General decides to exercise that discretion, we are going to find ourselves in these issues. We are talking about disposal of buildings, residential buildings. Sooner than later, you would hear people complaining that now I'm going to buy a building and I need to pay VAT. So if you recall, there was a time we had this measure, it was taken off, and the laws have been revised and passed, asking us to go back and pay this thing. So in brief response to your question, George, IMF program, it is true that we are under an IMF program. But at the end of the day, the IMF does not unilaterally impose these things on us. We sat down, we gave it to the fund, and the fund says, I'm happy with what you've given to me, so I am going to give you your money. The last preliminary point I would make, George, is I do agree so much with Mark. I think we are not doing well enough. And please let me repeat, we are not doing well enough when it comes to effective consultation. I'm not saying inviting people around the table. I'm saying inviting people around the table, have deliberations, give sufficient time, accept opposing views. If your views are indeed superior to those opposing views, then you can come back and implement those taxes. In this beautiful country of ours called Ghana, a lot of tax measures are probably hidden in people's drawers. And it comes as a surprise to you only when you see the bills. And I think that we need to begin changing these things. The country is for all of us, and as Mark was saying, there should be effective consultation for us to develop a proper and a business-friendly tax environment to support the growth and the kind of country we all want to build.